Welcome back, kindergartners. Today I'd like to read a story to you called Give Thanks for Each Day. And this story is written by Steve Metzger and it's illustrated, or the pictures are drawn by Robert McPhillips. And today, after you are finished listening to this story, you are going to do a writing for something you are thankful for. As you are listening to the story, you might hear some ideas of what you could be thankful for. I will write an idea list for our next lesson, and you'll be able to choose either one of those ideas or maybe one of your own. Let's take a listen at what this is about. Give thanks for each day. Give thanks for each day. Give thanks for each night, for colorful flowers, for stars shining bright. Give thanks for new crayons, red, green, and blue. Give thanks for the moments when wishes come true. Give thanks for the train that chugs down the track. Give thanks for the comfort when Mommy comes back. Sorry, we're having a little problem with the page. Give thanks for a puzzle, a favorite bear, the thrill when you're lifted way up in the air. A hug, a parade, a bath, a new toy. The things in our world that fill us with joy. Give thanks for a walk by a lake in the park. Give thanks for the light in our homes after dark. Give thanks for the snowflakes that fall from above. For getting together with people you love. Give thanks for sweet ice cream. For ducks in a row. Give thanks for great stories which help you to grow. Give thanks for the ocean. Give thanks for the sand. The sweet, simple pleasure when we're holding hands. Give thanks for I love you. The best words to say. Give thanks for each night. Give thanks for each day. Be sure to click on the next link and there'll be a list there of some ideas that were in here about what they are thankful for. Take care.